Yo, what's up? So yeah, today we would like to just inform you about the current update situation because many of you been asking us, is Bali locked down? Well, so today at the 1st of July, Mr. President announced today publicly that Bali and Java will be limited restriction. So I just show you a little bit about what Mr. President saying on his YouTube and also I think in all medias.
Ini berkembang sangat cepat karena varian baru yang juga menjadi persoalan serius di banyak negara. Situasi ini mengharuskan kita mengambil langkah-langkah yang lebih tegas agar kita bersama-sama dapat membendung penyebaran COVID-19 ini. Setelah mendapatkan banyak masukan dari para menteri, para ahli kesehatan, dan juga para kepala daerah, saya memutuskan untuk memberlakukan PPKM darurat sejak tanggal 3 Juli hingga 20 Juli 2021, khusus di Jawa dan Bali.
Okay, so Mr. President announced that Bali and Java will have a restriction, like very strict restriction from 3rd until 20 of July. I just want to share you one article from Indonesia Expat ID saying that emergency PPKM in Java and Bali confirmed 3 until 20 July. So here it's saying that President Joko Widodo has officially announced the implementation of emergency PPKM in Java and Bali in 3rd of July until 20 of July. Well, this regulation is made, by the Coordinating Ministry of Maritime Affairs and Investment, because this is in the period of time, Java and Bali has a target of this decreasing the addition of daily confirmed case to less than 10,000 per day. So here is the full for emergency PPKM. So the implementation will be targeted with 45 regency or cities and assessment, scope for 4th and 6 district and cities, in Java and Bali. So what are the scope of restriction? Well, basically like 100% work from home for non-essential sectors, and all teaching and learning activities will be carried out online, and then the maximum 50% of staff work from home. To work from office with health protocols. So if you have to work from office, just the capacity is maximum 50%. So the rest will be work from home. I think that I will be work from home soon. So the essential sectors include finance, banking, capital markets, and everything. So still open. And like here, supermarket, traditional market, sell daily necessities. Operating hours will be limited at 8 p.m. and closing local time, and then with a visitor capacity of 50%. And activities at shopping center and trade center are closed. It means like in shopping mall will be closed. And restaurant can only accept delivery and takeaway. So it means that you cannot sit inside the restaurant, but you have to take away. And then other than that, like place of worship also, like mosque, prayer rooms, church, temples, etc. will be closed, temporary closed. And public facilities also temporary closed, like public areas, public parks, and public tourist attraction will be closed. And then this is the most important thing for you guys. It says in point 15, so travelers who use long distance transportation such as airplanes, bus, and trains must show your vaccine card. Ooh. At least the first dose being given, and show PCR swab test for planes and antigen test for other long distance transportation. So it means that if you wanna travel to Bali or travel to Java, you have to show your vaccine card, at least the first dose. Okay guys, so maybe you are interested of what are the 45 or what are the regencies or what are the cities that will, the areas that affected by emergency PPKM. So will be Tangerang City, South Tangerang City, West Jakarta, East Jakarta, South Jakarta, North Jakarta, Central Jakarta. So it means like almost all areas in Jakarta. Surabaya City, Cimahi, Surakarta, Bogor, Semarang City. Wow, almost all capitals, capital city ya. Bekasi, Magelang, Bandung City, so the capital city of West Java. Okay, so maybe if you are now living in Bali or if you are planning coming to Bali, so here are the areas in Bali that affected. Denpasar City, Jembrana, which is West Bali, and Buleleng, North Bali. Badung, Badung is the area of Kuta, Canggu. What else? Jimbaran, Nusa Dua, that's included Badung area. So Gianyar is Ubud area, Sukawati area, and Klungkung. So Klungkung is Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembongan belongs to Klungkung. Bangli, so where is Bangli? Bangli famous for Kintamani area. So Bangli. So the rest will be the city in Java. Many city actually. Banyuwangi, Bangkalan. Jeez. So many lah. Okay guys, maybe if you wanna read this article by yourself and then you wanna watch all the full version of the YouTube from Mr. President, we will just leave the link in our description later on here. So yeah, you can read it full by yourself then. I think that's all our short update today. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow and stay safe. Bye.